Hey guys, Javin here. So in today's video, I want to give you an honest review of this 360 self-cut hair mirror over here that you can cut your hair at home. And I'll be also giving one of these away at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So 1 year ago, this mirror company over here kindly sent me this mirror, and I've been testing it out for over 1 year already, and so far it's been doing pretty well. I love using it to cut the side of my hair, especially over here. So over here as well as the back hair. It's really easy to cut using this mirror. I'll be giving you a closer up look on what this is. 1 second. Okay, so this is basically how it comes in. Like this. You can see that it's really well protected, so nothing will get damaged in transit. So how you open it is over here. Open, slide it out. Okay, so this is the box. Clean white box. I'm gonna open it right now. Okay, that's basically it. And this is how it looks like when you first get it. I'm going to be removing the film. On both sides. So as you can see, there's gonna be 3 mirrors. So 1 mirror here, left and right. And when you basically, I don't know if you can see, but when you hang it on any door, you will be able to see your side hair. And over here, another white wrapper. Okay, that's it. And the way you hang it is over here. There's going to be 2 hooks. These over here can go higher or lower depending on how tall you are. I'll just quickly show you how it's done on this door. And just keep in mind that you can do this anywhere as long as there's a door. Like the width over here, it's good for any size door. So you can do it in the washroom door, garage door, outside door, any kind of door. So over here, it can go high or low. This is about my height. And when you're cutting your hair, you can look to the left, look to the right. You can see your back hair easily. Look to the front. A couple of you guys have asked me about the mirror quality in general. To be honest with you, I don't really see any distorted images. In terms of the quality of this mirror, I would say maybe like 8 out of 10. Maybe they could use better materials in making this mirror, but overall it does the job. Really easy to bring anywhere you go, on vacation, you know, anywhere that has a door basically, you can use this mirror. Also very easy to store because you can basically put this in any backpack. Now this is the mirror that I've been using since 1 year ago, and it still like pretty much looks just as new. This is the one I just opened. For those of you who want a cheaper method, this is a cheap method over here. So in my washroom, I have this second mirror that, you know, stores stuff at the back. This mirror, along with the main mirror, allows me to see the back of my hair. So this is also a good method if you don't want to buy like a self-cut mirror. And for this, you can just install it on the back of your wall. I'm really happy that I have a mirror like this because I've saved so much money by not going to the barber. Now, before cutting my own hair at home, there's been so many times where I asked the barber just to shave the sides and just do a little bit on the top, but they will cut way too much and I'll end up having a bad haircut. So just by doing it myself, I can do it the way I like it. Alright, now for the giveaway rules for one of these mirrors. Unfortunately, this will only be limited to UK, United States, as well as Canada, but the rules to enter is pretty simple. Number one, just make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And number two, let me know what your favorite hairstyle is down in the comments below. To make it fair for everyone, you only get one entry per person. So even if you comment 10 times, you also only get one entry. In 1 week's time, I'll be drawing the winner. So I'll be looking at this video again and looking at all the comments. Whoever that comments their favorite hairstyle, I will just put all their names into like a number generator and then pick the winner like that. So once again, this is only open to those living in UK, US, or Canada. And for those who wants to buy this outright, I have left a 10% promo code in the description box below. The discount code is JVIN10, so I'll leave it over here as well. And you get 10% off the mirror. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Noah, Noah, Lisa.
Okay, Sunday, it's your lunchtime. It's mommy.
Noah, Lisa.
Okay, Lisa. Oh, my hair.
Oh, my hair.
Oh my goodness. Oh my.
I have so much hair. Then. What?
Noah, share the camera.
Noah.
Where's your teeth, Noah?
Yeah.
Where's your teeth? Oh, yeah, so ugly.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah.